Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a Burlington clearance haul. Burlington is not just for clothes and shoes. I like to go there for like skincare and hair care items. So yeah, so basically what I like to do, I like to look at the reviews first. So I'll go online and make sure it's at least a 4-star before I purchase it. And then I'm also going to compare the prices to what they're selling currently for online at regular retails like Amazon and Walmart and so forth. So you guys stay tuned and enjoy. First, we have Texture by Cantu, and it's a cleansing oil shampoo, and it's 16 ounces, and it was $1.99. Like, you can't beat that. And that's all the little information about it and whatnot. And it comes with a little pump bottle, which I love. Prefer it than the squeezing bottle. And then here's what it looks like online, and it currently sells for around $9 for the 16 ounce. And I always like to look at the reviews, make sure it's at least like a 4-star or close to a 4-star. And then next is the defining cream, which is kind of like a leave-in conditioner, and it's also 16 ounces. And here's a little information about it, blah blah blah. And this one was 99 cents at my local Burlington. Like, I couldn't pass that up at all. Like, no, like, that's amazing. Even if it was crappy, I could give it to somebody that it might work for. And this one had a higher rating than the shampoo, and it's average about $10, it looks like. On Amazon it sells for around $13. And like, sometimes I'll look through the reviews and stuff like that. And yes, so that's what I do when I shop at Burlington. And next we have the Urban Therapy Innate instant hydrating conditioner. So I tried this, I read it, and it was a pretty much it's a leave-in conditioner. I didn't realize until I was using it that the cap was kind of cracked, but it still comes out, and it was $2.99. Like, you can't beat this. You can't beat this at all. And look, 12 ounces. And here is it online, and it sells for $9.97 at Walmart. So like $10.99 elsewhere. Has high ratings. Um yeah. And then this one, I've been using it so far and I love it. I have oily skin. This was amazing. I know Marie Claire is a magazine, so I was trying to look for the product and I cannot find it. And then when I looked at the warehouse, they closed down due to the pandemic, and this was $1.99, and it's huge, 16 ounces. Okay, and then yeah, this is me struggling trying to find it online. I searched everywhere, everywhere. So I found something similar. Um, I see this. I see that Mario brand everywhere. I don't want to butcher the last name, but I think that's maybe the closest thing you could get to it. And then here's the Pacifica Sea Purified Clay Mask. I see this everywhere, and I was surprised to see it at Burlington on clearance for $2.99. And I can't wait to try and use it, especially with my oily skin. And yeah, it's 1.7 ounces. That's how it looks. It has a little pump on the top. And online, as you can see, it has a pretty good rating, and they sell for approximately $15 online at Target, on at Ulta and Pacifica website. Last but not least, we have Liqueur Enhanced Color by London Town Nail Polish for $1.99, and it's in the color something by the city. I forgot. And here's another color that's like a chocolate color, and it's also $1.99. It's called Pence by the Pound, and yeah, nice chocolate color. I did try one coat and it was pretty thick and opaque, which I really liked. So I can't wait to try like two coats. And then here's it online, $16 on Amazon. And I was also able to find out a color on Amazon also. And on the Macy's website, as you can see, they're also $16. And then so it looks like it's a department store brand, like if in the US. And yeah, that's it.